Hello, my name is Jeremy Fox. This is my Project Management and Assessment 7 mobile game library video. Let's see. So, first thing is to discuss my understanding of 2D game libraries. Well, 2D game libraries, about as high level view as I can get, basically make it far easier for anybody looking to get into mobile game developing for 2D games specifically. It makes their life far easier because they have all the basics already kind of like laid out, and all you have to do is worry about popping in your assets and the game, the design and everything. But as far as like creating layers and scenes and stuff, it makes it far easier because they've already got, like I said, all those objects already defined in there and all the base functionality of everything created. And they provide a lot of example projects. So you pull up the example project and see how they implemented that, and off you go. Really shows a whole lot. So my basic understanding of 2D game libraries is just that it's just like any library. It's there to make your life easier as a developer by offering a whole lot of base functionality that you can use to build off of. And now I'm supposed to demonstrate an Android and an iOS app running with their corresponding 2D game libraries. So the first thing we'll start with is Android, and this is the libgdx library. So let me run this guy as an Android app, and it's going to run on my actual device because I cannot stand the Android simulator, and it's actually up on my device right now, and I'm going to pull up Droid at screen, and there it is. So just to show you this is live, I'll go back to the home screen. There's my kids on my home screen, and launch this guy again, run as Android app, and there it is. Actually, let me bring it over here just so you can kind of see what's going on here. Go back to the home screen one more time so you can actually see it happening. And then we'll say run as Android app. And there it is. So there's the libgdx installed. Per the requirements, this doesn't have to be a full-blown app. It just has to prove that the Android 2D game library is installed and working, and there, as you can see, it is. So I'm going to close Droid at screen and Eclipse, and we'll launch the iOS part now. So I've got Xcode up here, and this is Cocos 2D, and as you can see, all these are the tests and all the example projects they have. I'm going to launch an iOS test frame example project called JS Moon Warriors. So it'll come up here, say new game, and all I'm supposed to do, I guess, is shoot all these guys. So as you can see while I'm dominating this game, Cocos 2D is definitely installed and working properly. Let me close that just 'cause it's kind of loud. But as you can see, Cocos 2D is definitely installed, working properly. This is the XC workspace that comes with it. Let's see. I don't remember if I don't believe I've created a separate project yet. But there you go. You can see Cocos 2D is definitely installed. We can actually go like this and say new project, and you'll see here, here's some of the Cocos 2D starting points, I guess, installed with Cocos 2D. So if I just want to do an absolute base project, it'd be Cocos 2D iOS. I can also do Cocos 2D iOS with Box 2D, with Chipmunk, and with JavaScript. So say if I just want to do the base one, I can do foo, next, create, and there it is. So now if we launch this, It's just going to probably be their default image. Yeah, Cocos 2D. And then it just says Hello World, achievements and leaderboards. So there it is. There's iOS and Android both installed and working properly. That is, I believe, all that I'm supposed to do for this video. Discuss your understanding of 2D game libraries, display an Android app using a game library that student has selected, display an iOS game using a gaming library that student has selected. Apps presented need to display the student has successfully installed a gaming library. The application does not need to be fully working game. Students only need to install a template from the library. So all of those are a big old check mark. So that will wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching.